So you may be wondering what this tank is here and what all of these valves are for. Well, this tank is extremely useful when running a cleaning procedure, whether you're conditioning the membrane or you're cleaning the system. So typically at the start of a process, you want to condition your membranes, you want to clean your membranes. So this tank here is very handy because it can be used for recirculation. It really depends if you are running a solvent. It may not be safe to have a large amount of solvent in an open container, but if you're using water or some other chemical for descaling, defouling, or just cleaning your system in general, this is very handy. And so you can create a completely circular system in this vessel right here. So you have your permeate, you have your concentrate coming in here, and you can open and close this valve to have your permeate or concentrate coming in here. Or if you're not going to be using the tank, you can connect hoses here to go to another process. And there's also a valve down here. So this valve right here would typically be your feed, and your pump's connected in this large space over here. So typically the feed is here, but if we're going to do a cleaning procedure, we close this valve and we open this valve over here. We close this one and we open this valve over here, and you can continuously recirculate within a closed loop system. Because when you own one of these systems, you'll learn that it's very important to have a clean system. And so you're going to be cleaning your membranes very frequently. And this type of setup just makes cleaning super simple, and it prevents you from having so much other hardware to do that process.